Hi, Ajai Rana. I'm the chairman of Federation of Seed Industry of India. This is the time of year when the union budget comes in February. To improve agriculture productivity and innovation, farmers' income, we have following three expectations from the budget. Number one, restoration of 200% income tax credit for R&D expenses for seed industry. Many of the FSII member companies, we invest more than 10% of our revenue on R&D. So restoration of this tax deduction on R&D will encourage more dollar or rupee investment on R&D, eventually leading to improvement in productivity. Number two, GST credit for raw material used for seed industry, like for example, packing material, seed treatment chemicals, etc., and services. And number three, policy environment which is favorable for foreign direct investment in seed sector. I'm sure the finance ministry will have a favorable view on these things, which is going to help India becoming eventually a developed nation, which is the vision of Prime Minister of India.